Welcome to World Weather News. A shelf cloud is a striking and ominous-looking low-level cloud formation that often appears before a strong thunderstorm. It is typically a horizontal, wedge-shaped, arc-like cirrus cloud attached to the base of the parent storm cloud, usually along its leading edge. While they can form anywhere a powerful thunderstorm occurs, they are frequently sighted in areas prone to summer severe weather, including the Great Lakes region in southern Ontario, such as Hamilton and its surrounding area.